How to fix iPhone black screen or iPhone not responding. Any type of iPhone screen and certain various other issues as also iPhone went black and would not turn on after iOS 17 update. iPhone suddenly black screen, iPhone black screen not responding, iPhone black screen would not turn on due to water problem and various other issues of black screen. And to fix this issue, the first method is plug in charger. If your iPhone is just having a black screen and would not turn on, it is probably that the battery has been drained out. This is most likely but could be ignored by many iPhone users. If this is the case, your iPhone screen will display the empty battery image with the black background. So simply plug in your battery charger and check whether your iPhone error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and hard reset your iPhone. Press up volume arrow and home screen button simultaneously. Hold, press and hold until the iPhone Apple logo appear on your screen. Again turn off and press down volume arrow and home screen simultaneously until the Apple logo appear on your screen. The next workaround to fix black screen issue is your iPhone with your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Connect with data cable and thereafter go to your Windows 11, Windows 10 PC and open iTunes app. How to connect and how to use your iPhone with iTunes. Regarding this, one detailed video is in my channel. Go through this video and here choose restore iPhone. Also, you can check for updates from here and otherwise restore iPhone. And after restoring, your problem will be definitely resolved.